So that Handori ki Kali Chut will try to blame shift all his crime on the characters of the content affair, real life characters who are living in Panvel. So, look, I met somewhere in not mid, April 2014, the characters of content. But I bought Dell somewhere in Jan-Feb 2014. So, if they try to blame shift the all the crimes on those characters from the content affair, so it's a lie because Handore scammers, the Handore ki Chut was already there in that Dell, and also in my surveillance from 2012, and also in the portable 2012, and he bugged my house somewhere. I suspect the 2012, and he was doing the Land Vashikaran from 2012 to woman over there. So he's only blame shifting his crime because I caught evidences of 2012. While we were on a vacation, my portable was accessed. And those, if they blame shift their crimes on those characters from the affair, those characters will say give these details that Handore scammers were contacting them too. Those people will straight away give the evidences. Not evidences, they'll straight away give this thing. That because wherever I go, they try to ruin my relationship, spoil my relationship, finish my stuff. So, though they themselves, the characters from the affair, will give these details that the Handore Kichu contacted them. Handore's black chut scammers. Those prostitutes. So same as what do you call it? They'll try to blame shift, but they were already in my surveillance, they were already in my house, they were already in my portable, and they were already in the Dell from Feb, because within 4 minutes the cloner steals Devil Rocket. So they will only blame shift on the characters of the content affair. Handori ki Chut was already there. They only like to contact and destroy. Handori ki Chut, Kali, 70-80 साल की.